Emergency evacuation and fire training program. Introduction. We are all responsible for safety and accident prevention. Accident prevention is a first step in emergency planning. All agree with me that an emergency is a sudden occurrence, and the philosophy of safety that all industrial accidents are preventable. Hence we need, and we must prepare ourselves to respond to these events, when and where to avert negative consequence. Emergency cases. There are several emergency cases which have got the potential to cause injury or loss of life, damage to properties, and serious disruption inside and outside in our scope of work or to the environment. These emergencies are as follows: fire, leakage, toxic release, gas leakage, etc. Major human injury. Explosion. Other emergency cases: threat of bomb or terrorist acts, collapse of building, flooding inside enclosed areas, major power failure. Fire. Fire can start at any time, anywhere, and the biggest single cause of fire at workplace is poor housekeeping, and there are lots of causes such as smoking, electrical and electronic spark, naked flame, grinding, welding, hammering, friction. Fire elements. Before any fire can start, 3 components must be present to form a structure known as the fire triangle. If any one of these components is removed, then the fire will go out. If any element is removed, the fire will not start. Examples: air, oxygen, fuel, gas, wood, petrol, thinner, oil, mist, dust, vapor, grease, etc. Ignition source: fire, spark, smoke, electrical and electronic spark, naked flame, friction, heat, and welding. Fire extinguisher anatomy: discharge lever, pressure gauge, not found on Code 2 extinguishers, discharge locking pin, and seal, carrying handle, discharge hose, discharge nozzle, discharge orifice, body, data plate. Fire classes, types of fire extinguishers, color coding, and use of each type. Water type. Red color. A class. Uses: fire involving solid materials, for example, wood, paper, cloth, coal, etc. Elements: cooling. Foam type: cream color. BC class. Uses: fire involving FL and liquefied gases, for example, petrol, paint, grease, etc. Creates a blanket over the flame. Elements: smothering. Dry powder type. Blue color. Class. ABC. Uses: multi-use, burning materials safe for electricity. Elements: smothering. Carbon dioxide type. Black color. Class. AB. Uses: safe and clean, can be used on live electrical equipment. Elements: smothering. Fighting fire by using fire extinguishers. 1. Keep cylinder upright. 2. Pull out the safety pin. 3. Aim the nozzle at the base of fire. 4. Squeeze the handle. 5. After using the fire extinguisher, lay it on the floor horizontally. Fighting fire by using hose reel. 1. Pull out the hose reel. 2. Then position the nozzle upward. 3. Open the nozzle. 4. Adjust the nozzle for jet or spray. 5. Slanting down on fire. 6. Face the nozzle upward and close it. if instructed to evacuate. 1. Remain calm, and don't panic. 2. Don't waste time in gathering personal belongings. 3. Get out of the building or yard. 4. Go to the designated assembly point. 5. Wait for further information. Duties of emergency wardens. 1. Check that everyone has left the building, look in all room. 2. Go to assembly point, and report persons not accounted for. 3. Don't allow persons to go back into the building unless it's safe to do so.